If Evernote is acting up, crashing, or showing a weird bug, the fastest way to get help is to report it the right way. In this video, I'll show you how to gather the details Evernote needs, write a clear bug report, and submit a technical issue ticket through the Evernote Support form. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is collect the important details about the problem. Start with your device information, write down whether you're using Windows, Mac, iPhone, iPad, or Android, and also note the version of the Evernote app you're using. This matters because bugs can behave differently depending on the device and app version. Next, capture some visual proof. If you can, take a screenshot of the error or record a short screen video showing exactly what happened. If the bug is something that disappears quickly, a recording can be especially useful because it shows the full sequence leading up to the issue. If Evernote gives you any activity logs or console logs, export those too. These logs can help the support team or engineers understand what was happening in the background when the problem occurred. The more detail you provide, the easier it is for them to investigate the bug properly. Now let's write the bug report in a way that is easy to understand. Start with a short, clear title that summarizes the issue. For example, instead of writing something vague like Evernote problem, write something specific like app crashes when clicking export on a shared note. A good title helps support quickly understand what category the issue belongs to. After that, add the steps to reproduce the bug. This is one of the most important parts of the report. Write the exact steps you took right before the issue happened and keep them in numbered order. For example, open the note, tap export, choose a format, and then the app crashes. Clear steps make it much easier for the team to recreate the problem on their side. You should also include what you expected to happen and what actually happened. For example, you might say, expected the note to export successfully, but instead the app closed unexpectedly. That simple comparison gives the support team a lot of useful context. Once you have all of that information ready, go to help.evernote.com in your browser. Make sure you're logged in with the same account you use in Evernote, because that helps the support team connect your ticket to the right account. On the support page, scroll through the topics and choose technical issue. After the page loads, go down to the bottom and click Submit a request. Then choose Report a technical issue. This opens the bug report form where you can paste in all the details you collected. Now fill out the form carefully. Add your device details, app version, bug title, steps to reproduce expected result, actual result, and any screenshots or logs you have. Be as specific as possible, but keep it clear and organized. Support teams can usually help much faster when the report is complete and easy to follow. Before you send it, double check everything. Make sure there are no missing steps, no incorrect account details, and no blurry screenshots if you're attaching proof. Then click Submit and send the ticket. After that, keep an eye on your inbox. Evernote may reply by email if they need more details or when they have an update on your report. It's a good idea to watch for follow-up messages so you can respond quickly if needed. And that's it. You now know how to report an Evernote bug the right way with clear details and the right support form. If this video saved you time, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.